To our top story now, there are shocking allegations that are coming into fore against Shiv Sena MP Arvind Sawant. Independent Lok Sabha MP from Maharashtra's Amravati, Navneet Rana, has claimed that Sena MP Arvind Sawant threatened to burn her face with acid outside the parliament lobby after she raised questions against Uddhav government over Sachin Waze case in the parliament. Not only that, she has also claimed that Arvind Sawant has also threatened her, saying that they will put her in jail when she returns to Maharashtra. She claims that this was not the first time that she's been threatened by Shiv Sena. Rana has written to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla apprising him about the incident. MP Arvind Sawant, however, has denied making any such threats and termed her claims to be untrue.
ने आपसे कहा क्या लोकसभा के बाहर लॉबी में, क्योंकि वो डिनाई कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने आपसे कहा क्या?
When I started talking, I was in totally aggressive and I was talking what is actually fact. I am here to talk about people, what people think. I am representing 25 lakh people from my area, from my district. And I was talking exact that. And once I end up with my speech, and all the members from Shiv Sena, they were walking out, and Arvind Sawant ji just took 2 seconds of that, and he stayed and he said, now it is your turn to go behind the bar. And for me, for a second, I got blank. Whether I heard something wrong, what has been spoken by him. And then I turned behind, and one of my colleague, he belongs to Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy's party. I just turned him and I just asked him, did you hear what he said? And immediate, he said, yes, Navneet, I heard. I said, what did he say? Then he said me, he told they are going to put you behind the bar. That time I realized he threatened me in the house itself. I have got many letters, threatening letters from Shiv Sena. Yes. In so, one channel, just now, half an hour back, one channel, yes.
Okay. Ma'am, you've said that you were also threatened in the past by Shiv Sena. Were you threatened on telephone? Were you threatened through mail, through letters?
I have received letter also, and I've got many calls threatening by this ki you don't deserve talking about Uddhav Thackeray. If you talk against Uddhav Thackeray, the beautiful face you are taking and roaming in Maharashtra and other places, we will put acid on your face, and then you cannot even move an inch in your life. After this, if you talk about Uddhav Thackeray, they have threatened me 101 times on the phone. They have threatened me, they have given me letter according to that, ki we will put acid on your face. Then you see what is going to happen next. And I was just requesting the homo of this country, Amit Shah ji, ki now this inquiry should turn and should go to NIA completely, not an inch also. It should depend on Maharashtra, because Maharashtra, from last 1 year, if we see, everything is going blame and game. One party is blaming another one, other party is blaming another one, because हमारे महाराष्ट्र में ग्रहण लग गया है.
MP Arvind Sawant, though, has denied these allegations. Take a look.
सर झूठ हमने जिंदगी में, एक तो महिला है पहली बात, और ये नवनीत राणा जी है, वो आते जाते समय मुझे भैया दादा करके पुकारते, मैं भी उसके साथ बात करता हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना गुड़ा है. लेकिन एक बात कहता हूँ कि ये काम धमकाना, और महिला को, मैं शिवसेनी को इतना ध्यान में रखूं, महिला को धमकाने वाला काम करते नहीं, कभी धमकाया है, उसके इर्द गिर्द अगर कोई लोग होंगे तो बता देना कि अगर मैंने धमकाया होगा तो.
Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining us live. Pankaj, this is a very grave allegation coming in against Arvind Sawant, and it is almost unbelievable, to say the least, that a man in this day and age would threaten a woman to throw acid on her. But if the allegations are true, like how Navneet Rana is saying that she's got letters of them threatening her as well, Shiv Sena's continuously threatened her, then this is a huge allegation that is coming in, and it's going to be a big embarrassment for the Mahagadi Sarkar. And the kind of action that is taken against Arvind Sawant is something yet to be seen. And does she plan to go ahead and file an FIR?
Good morning, Chaiti. So there is no doubt about the fact that the allegations are very serious in nature. and that too coming from a parliamentarian against a colleague and a woman parliamentarian. The charges are absolutely grave. But you heard the Shiv Sena as well reacting, saying that the allegations are false. There's no truth in it. So the fact remains, it will have to be investigated. But this entire matter couldn't have come at a worse time for the Shiv Sena, because at a time when the MVA finds itself in a corner, when they are at the back foot with the kind of allegations that have been leveled by a senior serving IPS officer, and when the various allies of the MVA are trying to find their firm footing yet again in Maharashtra, comes this allegation. Earlier also, we have had the Sanjay Rathod case, wherein the Shiv Sena was really embarrassed and that the minister had to be shown the door as well. And then another allegation coming in. It doesn't do any good for the image of Shiv Sena. But the fact remains, there are two sides of any story, and this story will also need to be investigated. But for now, it really, I am sure more reactions are going to come in from Maharashtra as well, because the Chief Minister is here. We will try and get his reaction as well. We will try and get more reaction from the Shiv Sena and the alliance partners as well. But this is now also a police matter, and both sides need to be heard and it needs to be thoroughly investigated. But as you rightly pointed out, the allegations are absolutely serious in nature.
Absolutely. These are rather very serious allegations coming in. Pankaj, right there. We are going to keep coming back to you to track this story in much detail. For now, thank you so much, Pankaj, for getting us this report.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.